Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix error localhost refused to connect from Visual Studio Code Easy Fix Guide. So if you're having an issue just like this, when you're trying to go ahead and launch your HTML, it shows that this site can't be reached, localhost refused to connect. Here are some steps that you could try out to go ahead and fix the issue. So as you can see, I'm currently onto my Visual Studio Code and I have opened the folder that holds my Hello World HTML file or the sample code that I have, and it's JSON file. So for us to fix this, let's try to head first onto the folder that was created, right click onto this, and let's try to delete this. So let's just move this to the recycle bin and it should go ahead and remove also the JSON file. Right after, let's click onto this icon, which is the run and debug. So right after you click onto that, you should be able to see two options in here that you could click. This time we'll click onto this one, create a launch JSON file, and then choose the browser. So let's choose Chrome for this, and this should open something like this. Then right after, once this one is already open or the JSON file is already open in here, let's click on run in here and start debugging. So this should go ahead and open your Chrome app that holds your code. So this should go ahead and fix the issue. So as you can see, I have here printed already my code. And that is how easy to fix the error localhost refused to connect from Visual Studio Code. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.